Good morning, little learners. It's time to learn the ABC song. This is a very simple and easy version of the ABC song, so you can learn it in no time. We will also do some silly actions while singing this song. Can you do these actions with me? Let's begin. A is for apple. Let's pretend we are eating an apple. Yummy. B is for ball. Let's roll the ball to the left. C is for cat. Let's make a funny face like a cat. D is for dog. Let's bark like a dog. E is for elephant. Let's swing our legs like an elephant's tusks. F is for fish. Let's pretend we are little fishies swimming in the water. G is for guitar. Let's pretend to play the guitar like this. H is for happy. Let's clap our hands. I is for ice cream. Yummy. L is for lion. Let's roar like a lion. J is for jump. Let's jump like this. K is for kangaroo. Let's hop like a kangaroo. L is for lollipop. Let's pretend we are eating a lollipop. M is for monkey. Let's make a funny face like a monkey. N is for nest. Let's pretend we are little birds sitting in a nest. O is for orange. Let's pretend we are eating an orange. P is for pig. Let's oink like a pig. Q is for quiet. Let's put our fingers on our lips. R is for rabbit. Let's wiggle our noses like a rabbit. S is for snake. Let's slither like a snake. T is for tiger. Let's roar like a tiger. U is for umbrella. Let's pretend we are opening an umbrella like this. V is for van. Let's pretend we are driving a van. W is for watermelon. Let's pretend we are eating a watermelon. X is for X-ray. Let's pretend we are an X-ray machine. Y is for yogurt. Yummy. Z is for zebra. Let's make a funny face like a zebra. Now you know the ABC song with silly actions. You are doing great. Give yourself a big thumbs up. And don't forget to keep practicing. If you keep practicing, you will become a superstar in no time. You can also share what you have learned with your family and friends. They will be very proud of you. If you want to learn the numbers song, then click on this video on the screen. And if you want to learn both the ABC song and the numbers song in one video, then click on this video on the screen. All the links are provided below. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad we could spend some time together. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad we could spend some time together. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad we could spend some time together.